if you have been stuck for years trying to get certified, this is why. Most people think getting certified is about studying more. More videos, more notes, more theory. So they spend months watching, rewatching, waiting, getting nowhere. And do you know what's worse? This madness feels like progress. But then they open a real lab and they don't know where to start. They go back to theory and the cycle repeats. That's how people stay stuck for years. See, certifications are not about knowledge. They are about execution under pressure. And if you don't train that, you'll never reach CCIE. So here's what actually works. Not theory, the only real system. If you want to get certified fast, you only need 3 things: structure, hands-on experience, pressure. The secret is you learn something, you apply it immediately. Without pressure, you delay, you slow down, you stop. With pressure, you practice, you improve, you win. Now, imagine this. Instead of being stuck for years, you follow a system that forces your progress. And week after week, you move towards CCIE without wasting time. Or you can continue like this. More videos, more notes, years wasted for nothing. So, this is the decision. If you are serious about reaching CCIE, schedule your Zoom session with me right now.